So in the movie Her and Ex Machina, I feel like there were two things that were common in both. One would be the ability to trust artificial intelligence after it has gained consciousness, and then the second one would be the ability for AI to develop a consciousness or self-awareness. And so with the movie Her, after Samantha was kind of showing Theodore that she was different in a sense, Theodore started to put more trust into her with certain things, and was they both put trust into each other. And with Ex Machina, I feel like trust was more of a decision between trusting a human more or trusting a robot more. There's some kind of like similarities in like the real world, not as complex as like AI that we can like talk to, but like if you think about like the automotive industry, how they have like different machines that put pieces on the cars like more efficiently or more effectively than humans can. It's like it's on a smaller scale, but we still have points where we trust AI more than we trust humans. And so then the second point would be developing consciousness, which kind of leads into my artifact, which is really kind of an artifact for real. I used to get on this when I was younger. It's called Cleverbot. It's a game I used to play when I was in the fifth grade. Surprised it's still around. Cleverbot is a game it's a website, cleverbot.com, and where you try to talk to this artificial intelligence and you try to convince it that it's a robot. And this whole time, the AI, through so many conversations with so many people, has found ways to avoid that and to like start different conversations and rebuttal different things, and even some of the wildest things. I've even had instances where it's cursed at me before, not at me, but just like said curse words in general, because people feed that into this, and it develops responses based on what other people are saying. And so this relates to me in my own life. Thinking about how I shop online sometimes, or how I'm looking for like game systems and things like that. Like if I search it on my phone, if I search it on my laptop, like I go on Facebook or Twitter, and there are advertisements popping up for that thing everywhere. So like at that point, like the artificial intelligence that runs those type of websites are able to kind of appeal to my taste, I feel. And this relates to society the same. Facebook has been accused of it and has done it. They made an article where they said that they were using it specifically for advertising. And it leads me to kind of think like how much information they have that's accessible, and are we being too free and too lenient with the things that we allow to be put out into the social world.